Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deposit money on CoinEX. And first of all, you need to create your account, and once you did that, we go to assets and click on deposit. Then right now he will send us to this page right here, and then we need to select the coin and token that we want to create, or the money that we want to put on our account. And then right now we select here USDT, that's fine. And then from here we need to select the generate deposit address. Now you need to click on a deposit address that you want to deposit. So let's do Ethereum, that's fine. And then right now he's creating the deposit address right here. So now we can use this deposit address to deposit money, aka Ethereum ERC20 to our account. You can also copy it by clicking on this, or scanning this QR code, and then do all the things that you need to do to get your Ethereum right here. But this is the way how you can deposit money to your CoinEX account. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.